So today we're going to do a load test with a couple of air compressors, normally only one, but we've got a 2000 watt air compressor with 10 litres of diesel in this beast. It's a diesel oil mixture. I need a lot of air. I'm using an air orbital sander for a while. We need to reset this meter and we'll be good to go. That's our kilowatt hour meter just there. Alright, we've set the kilowatt hour meter. We'll let this thing warm up and then we'll go for it. So starting procedures quite easy. Give it a glow, then it'll crank till it gets oil pressure and away it'll go. There's our kilowatt hour meter. Let's see how much we get out of 10 litres. Once it warms up, we'll fire up some tools. So as you can see there, done just a smidgen under 10 kilowatt hours on 10 litres, which means that I'm not running enough load off this thing continuously. So what I'm going to have to do is run 2 kilowatt hour meters, because I'm past my 10 amps for a lead. As you've seen, I got to 2900, and give this thing some more sauce, because yeah, it needs more. So being that it costs me around 20 cents a litre to run this fuel, it's cheaper than kilowatt hours at peak time here. But I'm going to have to rerun this test with a more sustained load. The load that was on it just then was a fan and a light inside, and a hot tub water heater, which pulls about 1450 with the pump, about 1400 for the hot tub heater, and 50 for the pump. So yeah, we're not using enough juice out of it. It's using more fuel running than it is generating, if that makes sense. So yeah, its efficiency can go up from where it is there. Yeah, my fuel source is super cheap, so that's not an issue. It's we kind of want to see where the peak of it is, so we'll do another test. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas on the peak efficiency, I think it's about 70% for a gen set, let me know. We'll have a play.